Today we are going to discuss about the key principle and developing your JEE Main strategy to get the high score. And that's what we are looking for, right? So technically it's a smart study and the calm execution will take you toward that. And for this we have to follow some core principle which is practiced by the toppers. Now let's see how the toppers are actually doing in their exam. So first subject order is personal. See, if any topper is choosing the maths to do the first and physics to do the first or chemistry to do the first, it's purely a personal choice. Suppose if your maths is good, you can go with the maths. If your physics is good, you can go with your physics. If your chemistry is good, you can go with your chemistry. But obviously, just you need to make sure that that subject will boost your confidence. So basically, it is playing a psychological trick, that is, it boosts the confidence. If suppose you are finishing your 5 first question with the right answers, automatically that mind will get it and it boosts their confidence. Okay, I can get it and I can able to do that. So you should choose the strongest subject where you are more comfortable and where you believe that you will get the good marks. And how you can choose which is your strong subject, that I'll tell you. It's not exactly based on your choice, like you like chemistry so you can go with the chemistry, not like that. You have to choose your strongest subject based on the mock test data. You analyze your mock test data. If in physics you are getting the good marks every time, means your physics is comparatively better than the other subject. If in chemistry you are getting the better marks despite of liking or not liking, you should go with the chemistry. If in maths you are able to manage the time and you are getting the good marks every time, whatever the mock test you are giving, you should choose the maths. Obviously, the time is related, so that we will discuss later also. So basically, choosing a right subject is very much important, right? Now, next move ahead, the mocks strategy lab. How we can find out. So during this our JEE journey or the NEET journey, we are finding we are giving the lot of test, multiple subject and the different orders, right? You have to track your comfort, your speed, your accuracy. Wherever you are able to maintain all these three things, means this is your strengthening subject, and that you have to choose it that in the at the time of the exam. And finalizing your best scoring sequence. Now the next is time allocation. This is again very important, because whenever we are sitting in the examination room, that 3 hours sometime is fine, sometime is not good enough. So maths generally are taking the 75 minutes. It's the longest one because we have to do a lot of calculation here, and sometime calculation gone wrong, so we have to do it again, redo and redo again. So you have to be careful whenever you are doing a subject. Physics, roughly we can assume like 55 to 60 minutes is taking, and this is fair enough. It means it's almost 1 hour. And the chemistry, when we talk about, so comparatively it is easier. I mean to say, like, few chapters are theoretical, so it may take 45 to 50 minutes. That is the fastest one. So if you are saving some time in the chemistry section, that is a buffer time which you can utilize in physics or maybe in the maths, or maybe you can utilize when you are revising or checking your question sequence and checking your answers. So technically, that subject choice is perfectly your choice. Is a fully 100% your personal choice. Whatever the subject you like, you start from doing there. And obviously, you have to take the mock test. That is the mock test analysis, and that mock test analysis will help you to choose the right subject, which one you have to do first. Then let's go ahead with the handling difficult question. Okay, I have seen even in my school life and when I was giving my JEE examination, I am finding if you are choosing and if you got stuck with the wrong question, where at home you were pretty confident about that question, but the same question, if it is coming in the exam, you're finding that some problem is there, and you got stuck psychologically and mentally. So I suggest you not to be too emotional about these. You just need to skip out these questions. So don't waste your time on tough questions or those questions which are pulling you down. So mark and revise later. Mark, you can do it, mark it, and then revise later. If you got it, it's well and good. If you are not getting, then again, no worries, you just have to move ahead. And in the end, if you are finding these 10 to 15 minutes for revision, this is the best thing, because multiple times I have seen that students are marking wrong answer despite of doing the right answer in their question paper, but in the OMR or maybe in the CBT test they are marking the wrong. So you have to keep 10 to 15 minutes for the right revision. It will help you to get the 100% accuracy, whatever the question you have done it, and can help to increase your score. So for this such type of updates, you have to follow the ChemTide and support me for giving you more input about the JEE and NEET examination. And in the end now, stay calm, be confident. See, the competition preparation is not a one day preparation. It is the entire whole year preparation. And if you keep doing, if you keep learning, if you keep doing practice, then definitely you will go through this. Hard working is a key of success here. So whenever you do the hard work, definitely it will reflect in the final paper. Obviously, one day preparation is not going to take you that other side, right? Trust the practice, stay calm, and just move on. Definitely, you will be able to get the highest score. Calm mind, improve accuracy. That is 100% right. If you are panic, if you are nervous, then accuracy will decrease. Even those questions which you know that is also might went wrong. So stay calm. I suggest not to study like 24 hours before of your exam. Just relax, sleep well. So when your mind and physical health is fine, definitely your mind is working super. Attempt easy and moderate question first. Yes, which I followed when I was doing my competitive examination. That easy and moderate question, no matter which subject you are choosing, if you are choosing the easy and moderate one, they boost your confidence, and this confidence can improve the accuracy and your nervousness, and if you get panic in the examination room, it will go away. Stick to your practice strategy, like in the mock test or whenever you were doing the practice. The same order, if you are following, it would be easier because your mind was habitual about the pattern. And that pattern, if you are following, definitely you will end up with the good marks. So stay calm and trust practice and trust yourself. Be confident, and that is the key of the success. So hope you like it and this video is helpful. So best of luck for your final exam. Stay connected, keep commenting what you want, and I'll be here for any chemistry help. Thank you so much.